Hi, are you ready for today's lesson? Today we are going to learn prime numbers and the learning standard is identify prime numbers within 100. Before we proceed to the lesson, let's see what is prime numbers. Prime numbers are much greater than 1. So 1 is not a prime number. Can only divided by 1 and itself only. That means there are no other factors for that number. 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers because these numbers can only divide by 1 and itself. Let's look some examples here. 2. Is it a prime number? Yes, 2 is a prime number. Let's see why 2 is a prime number. The first one is greater than 1. Is it 2 is greater than 1? Yes. And then can divide by 1. Yes. 2 divided by 1 equals to 2. And itself 2 divided by 2 will get 1. Is it any other factor for 2? We can divide 2 in any numbers? No. So 2 is a prime number. 3. 3 is larger than 1. 3 divided by 1 equals to 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Is there any other factors of 3? No. So 3 is a prime number. 4. 4 divided by 1 will get 4. 4 divided by 4 will get 1. And then 4 also have another factor that is 2. We can divide 4 with 2. 4 divided by 2 get 2. So 4 is not a prime number. 5. Is it 5 is a prime number? Let's see. 5 is greater than 1. Yes. 5 divided by 1 get 5. 5 divided by 5 get 1. So there are no other factor. So 5 is a prime number. 34. 34 is larger than 1. Yes. So let's see the second one. The factor should be 1 and 34 only. 34 divided by 1 get 34. 34 divided by 34 will get 1. And then 34 also can divide by 2 will get 17. So there are 3 factors. Of course, 34 is not a prime number. 19. The first one is greater than 1. Yes. Second one can divide by 1. 19. Is there any other factors? No. So 19 is a prime number. Let's see all the numbers within 1 to 100. 1 is not a prime number because it is equals to 1. Should be greater than 1. So 2, 3, 4 is not a prime number because it also adds 2 as a factor. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So these are the numbers prime numbers within 100. There are only few numbers here. Thank you. That's all for today.